Are you tired of your limited expenses as a student? Imagine if you could work online and double your income without having to quit your studies or get out of your room. In the coming minutes, I will give you 5 practical online ideas to increase your income as an online student with real examples, reliable foreign platforms, and steps to start with immediately. One of the most powerful ways to increase income is self-employment. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr allow you to offer your services in any field you know: design, writing, programming, translation, or even data entry. A practical example: a university student who is fluent in design started selling his services on Fiverr and earned the first $200 in just 2 months. If you are good at a particular language or subject, sites like Preply and Cambly allow you to give online tutoring to students from all over the world. Example: a student who is fluent in English started giving conversation lessons on Cambly, and she began to earn a steady monthly income. Choose a topic you like: reviews, teaching, study tips, and start downloading videos. With time and follow-up, your audience increases and you start earning income from advertising and sponsorships. Example: a student started a YouTube channel about organizing time and studying, and after 6 months he made his first earnings from advertising. You can sell ebooks, designs, templates, or even short courses on platforms like Gumroad and Etsy. Example: a student designed a set of note templates for studying and sold them on Etsy, earning additional income throughout the semester. If you have experience with social media, you can manage accounts for small stores or startups via platforms such as People Per Hour or Freelancer. Example: a student who started managing Instagram accounts for a clothing store helped them increase interaction and sales and earned a good monthly commission. 5 practical ways are in front of you now. Choose an idea that suits you and start with small steps today. Continuity and development are the secret of success in working online. If you have a successful experience or a new idea, share it in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to get all new about ways to increase income for students. Good luck on your journey to earn extra income online.